Hello friends, welcome to MCK Tech Portal. My name is Mahantesh and finally I have received OnePlus Type-C bullet earphones from Amazon for pre-booking the OnePlus 60 mobile phone. So let's do unboxing and quick review of OnePlus Type-C bullet earphones. Without further delay, let's get started. So friends, this is the packet what I received from Amazon, and again it's a secure packaging. You can see the secure ID here, but as this one is not that costly, so they didn't care about the OTP. A very nice and a robust packaging from OnePlus, and you can see the details of the packet itself. On top it has a very nice picture of the ear bullets itself and OnePlus logo. Let's open the box. So inside it says never settle their mantra. So let's open this. This contains the bullet earphones. Let's see what else it has. You can see best birds for life. Let's open this. I guess these are extra earbuds. Two sets, and I guess it comes with one pre-installed, so we'll get three sets of earbuds with this bullet earphone. Now let's open the bullet earphone itself. Some user manual with it. So let's open these. Very nice quality. Cable, we have flat cable here. I guess the material used for cable is rubber material. For the price range, it would have been a little better. Here you have Type-C. You have a control button. It has answer button in the middle, volume up and volume down. And at the back side, you have microphone and OnePlus logo. So friends, let me use it with my OnePlus 60 and check the quality. It's a nice product. Quality of the wire is not exceptional, but good. The quality of controls is very nice, and even I have tested it with the call. The voice quality is exceptionally good, and even I have tried the controls on this one, volume up and volume down. Everything works perfectly out of the box. Overall, I felt it is not worth the money which it is priced at. So friends, let me tell you the advantage of Type-C port here. This can be used for multi-purposes, like this can be used for charging, data transfer, music, video, and even there are a lot of other functionalities as well. You can use Type-C one port for all these purposes. And one biggest advantage of Type-C is you can connect whichever way you like, as it is reversible. So So advantage of that is even in dark you can just plug in very easily, and definitely it will have more life than the conventional USB ports. I hope you guys liked this video. I tried to make it a little more informative. If you liked the video, please like, comment and share with your friends and family, and please do not forget to subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that you can get notification on all my new videos. With this note, see something useful, see something interesting. Until next time, see you, bye bye.